How to buy DOGE SQUID token. Now this token came under the symbol of DOGESQ. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto. Simply just goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the trainer. It created just several hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. Now this token trading number 16 on this Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, it is a simple. Copy the token as you can see. Now open your funds wallet for that. Now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana, of course, on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token. So as you can see, this is also going to click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now here click on the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap. Now after that you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slip from here, as you can see, or custom, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able and go to buy the token without any issue. So this is how to buy a DOGESQ token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.